This tutorial explains how to create and manage tasks in Orangescrum. You will learn to set up tasks, assign details, and organize your workflow effectively. Click the Start for Free button to begin your Orangescrum setup. Click the Email option to proceed with account registration. Click the Set Your Password link to create your account password. Switch to your workspace domain to manage your projects. Click the Tasks menu to view and manage your tasks. Click the Add Task button to create a new task. Click the Demo Website Design project to open its task list. Click the Demo Website Design project again to confirm selection. Click the Task area to start adding task details. Enter the task name to identify the work item. Click the Task field to input additional information. Enter the estimated hours for task completion. Click the Assignee field to assign the task. Select yourself as the task assignee to take ownership. Click the Assignee field again to confirm your selection. Click the Development category to classify the task. Click the Development category again to confirm selection. Click the Default Task group to organize the task. Select the Planning task group to categorize the task appropriately. Click the Select button to confirm the task group choice. Click the Select button again to finalize your selection. Click the Task Start Date field to set when the task begins. Select the start date for the task from the calendar. Click the Task Due Date field to set the deadline. Enter the break time duration for the task. Click the Evening time to finalize task timing. Click the Start time to confirm task scheduling. Click the Time field to adjust task timing. Click the Related to field to link the task. Click the Clone button to duplicate the task details. Click the Save button to store the task information. Click the My Tasks menu to view your assigned tasks. Click the Demo Website Design project to access its tasks. Click the Kanban view icon to visualize tasks in columns. Click the Calendar view icon to see tasks by date. You have successfully created and managed tasks within Orangescrum by setting task details, assigning categories, and organizing views. Next, explore task collaboration and reporting features to enhance your project management.